What is the number one question that's key to the effectiveness of super teams? Welcome here from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where tonight we'll be hosting a group of CEOs and over the next 2 days, their teams for a Scaling Up workshop co-hosted by our award-winning coaching partners, Lynch Pin. So let me come back to that question, which is, what is the number one question that's underlying effective super teams? And here I want to refer to you to an article I'm going to point to in my weekly insights. It's an HBR article in the May-June 2026 issue called Super Teams. And in there it said the most important question, one that is often forgotten, is, where are you stuck? And they go on to describe how super teams then are in some kind of a daily scrum. It's that daily huddle that we've been teaching here for 2.5 decades. And he said, look, you really want to ask 3 questions. What are you working on? That's right there at the heart of ours. What were you doing yesterday? And then between that, where are you stuck? And then once you see patterns of those, and it takes 6 daily data points to see a trend, if you're asking that question every day, you know in a week where that constraint or stuck is. And what it leads to is the thing that's behind these super teams, which is continuous improvement. And so it's this process of identifying what's in our way, what's got us stuck, and then making sure that we're working on getting those unstucks, that is driving that continuous improvement that is behind what they are labeling super teams. We've got a book coming out soon called Super Players. I'm Verne Harnish. I'm author of Start to Scale, Keep Scaling.